everybody. It's morning, and I want to shoot a video to show you my second favorite way to make coffee. I want to show you my two favorite ways while on the road. This way is good if you have limited space like in an RV. And it's pretty simple. All you need is a pot, a tea kettle, something to boil water in, a French press, and some coffee. I like dark roast. This is medium roast, but it's all we can find. And if you're really into having good fresh coffee, you're gonna want one of these. This is a coffee grinder, and I'm going to use a percolator setting on this for the grind. It needs to be kind of a medium coarse grind. So it's basically on the lowest setting of the coarse grind. So let me get this zoomed in and show you what's next. First thing I'm going to do is load up the coffee grinder, coffee. I've got 4 cups of water over here boiling away, and so I'm just using a regular tablespoon. I'm using a tablespoon like this, and I'm just going to put about 8 spoonfuls in there like that. Put our lid on. Plug this in up here. I like to stop it and look, see how it is, and then here again. This is a coarse grind, so this is how your coarse grind should look. It's hard to see, but it is a coarse grind. So now we're going to take our French press, pull the lid off, pour your coffee in the bottom of that, and now we're going to add enough water just to cover the grinds. And we're going to give it a good stir. And then put the rest of your water in there. Try not to drop the lid. Catch Alright, now we're just going to set this on the plunger back on here. We're not going to plunge it. We're just going to set it on there. And set your timer for between 3 and 5 minutes. However strong you like it. The longer it sets, the stronger it'll get. So, see you guys in about 5 minutes. Alright, it's time to give this coffee the plunge. It's been 5 minutes. I like my coffee strong. If you don't like your coffee strong, you can try 4 minutes. You can try less amounts of coffee. This is just the way I like it. And it should take you 30 seconds for the plunger to get all the way to the bottom. So just pushing the grinds down to the bottom. So just go slow. I'm not going to time it, but patience will be rewarded. That's all the range to say. Now my French press has a slotted opening there pouring. So just get your favorite mug and pour away. That's it, guys. Second favorite way to make coffee on the road. Until next time. Hey guys, I showed you my second favorite way to make coffee. Today I want to show you my favorite way to make coffee. And what I'm using today is just your standard camp percolator. You can buy this at the camping section of Walmart. With the percolator you get the little stand and part to put your coffee in. In a pinch, you don't have to use this. You can just put your coffee grounds in here, boil it, it'll be fine. But we're going to use this. I've got this about half full with water, and I'm going to put my little stand down in here, and so I don't make much of a mess. I'm going to get a little paper plate. And today I have a little bit of Black Rifle Coffee Company Combat Fuel. This is very good. It's a dark roast. So this is pre-ground, so I'm going to use this. If you want to ground your own, that's fine. So I'm going to use this today. And I'm not going to use a filter. They do make filters for percolators, but I'm just going to put this straight into the little canister. It's dark roast. It smells so good. I'm just going to carefully go around a little hole in the middle there. Grounds. I like my coffee strong and dark, so I'm going to use quite a bit of coffee. About maybe 2 tablespoons per cup. I just go by eyeball. I'm going to take out this, put the lid on this, and actually take our stand out, put it on top of our stand, drop this in. I'm going to get this on fire, and we'll show you what to do next. Alright, so once you have this on fire, you want to kind of watch it. What you want to watch for is if it begins to boil, it will come up through the tube in the bottom and go over the grounds. So as it starts to boil, you want to watch it. You may have to lower the heat down. Alright, so our percolator is boiling away, so we're going to go ahead and do a check. Careful, Dawn protection, these things can get hot. Do what you want. You don't want it to be really splashing, pouring up through. You just kind of want a slow bubbling action there that comes up and goes back down. We'll give it a little while. I always just kind of look at the color of the water as it boils through. That kind of gives me an idea of when the coffee's ready. Alright everybody, after took time to percolate about 15 minutes, and the color looks where you want it. It's ready to pour in your cup. So just pour it in your cup. Enjoy.